How to remove Instagram account from login list. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on our channel where I'm going to show you how you can remove all of your existing Instagram accounts from the login section so that it does not appear. To quickly get started, open up your Instagram and then head over to the login section. Now here on the login list, you can see that your accounts are showing up. Now to remove it from here, you can tap on the three dots besides the login option and then you need to tap on remove. Now your Instagram account has been removed from that login list. Now the next time you want to log into that account, you need to enter all of the details such like your email address or your username and your password. So that's going to be all for today's video. If you guys liked and found this video helpful, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.